Today we're talking about bulk create. If you have an educational account or a Canva Pro account, you can do bulk create. What it does is it allows you to create multiple versions of a design using the same template, and it pulls all that information from a Canva sheet right in Canva. Let me show you how. On your Canva homepage, go over to Sheet. This is very similar to Google Sheets, and you're going to have something like this. We are going to use an example of I am going to do a bunch of social media posts that are all movie quotes from the 80s. So first I'm going to make my column titles. So in this column, I'm going to do movie quotes from the 80s. The second column is going to be the movie, the title. Actually, let's say movie title. And the third column is going to be an image from that movie. Now let's say I can't think of a movie in particular. I'm just totally overwhelmed with all the movies that I love from the 80s. So what I'm going to do is just highlight a few columns. I'm going to go up top to Actions. And if I scroll down to Fill Empty Cells, it's going to populate for me. Watch this. It's thinking of different movie quotes, and all I do is say Insert, and there are my movie quotes. So I could take them, I can adjust them, I could say, oh, I hate that movie, I'm going to adjust it, so I'm going to do that. So now I have the movies and the quotes that I want. Next thing I want to do is add images. So under my images, all right, I have images that I had already uploaded. If you don't remember how to do that, on the left-hand menu, you go to Uploads. Now is the fun part. So next I want to do down here, normally in the past, if you just hit plus, so the project I'm doing, what I'm in, is a Canva sheet. If I just hit plus, it makes another Canva sheet. Canva updated again, and what they can do is instead of hitting plus, if you hit this caret, you get options. So right within the same project, I can create a social media Instagram post or whatever. This is what I'm doing. So I'm going to cheat out a little bit here. I'm going to go over to design. I'm going to say templates, and this is the template that I want to make. All right, so I'm going to adjust this the way I want. Rad. Let's say that's perfect. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my spreadsheet, my Canva sheet. I want to highlight all of this. Up top, go to Actions, scroll down to Bulk Create, and you're going to get these choices. So I'm going to say Continue. And it asks me, do I want to continue with this current design, or is there a different design that you want me to bulk create? I like this current design that I just made. So I'm going to click Current Design. So it knows that's my design. Now I need to link the Canva sheet with my design. So each part is going to connect to a column that I tell it. So the quote, if I go up top to Connect Data, I'm going to link it to Movie Quotes of the 80s. The movie title, connect data to the movie title column. The image, now the nice thing is Canva knows that's an image, connect data to the image. Now what I want to do is go to Advanced Options, and I personally want all my designs, I want all of my new designs in one master design. So I like that. I don't want a bunch of individual projects. I'm going to say Create Design. And what this did is it bulk created all of my stuff into one new column. So if I click on any of these, it's going to open up a new project with all of my different things. So if I look through all the designs that it bulk created, they're not perfect, but the best part is that I don't have to go hunting down all of these things, and it's just put it all in one master project. Now I also want to show you, if I go back to our original thing, if I highlight my images, so I just click and drag to highlight everything, you can actually bulk background remove. Then when I bulk create, it'll bulk create all those images without the background. I mean, Canva just thinks of everything. So once I'm done adjusting all of my designs, I could just save them as PNGs. Over here, you hit share, and you would download as PNGs. You could do all of them together as a zip file, or you can do one at a time. completely up to you. I hope that this tutorial on bulk create helps you save a ton of time, and more than anything, I hope this tutorial helps you stay creative.